just imagine that you can earn on your idle investment. You can earn on your XRP like you would with your Ethereum, your ETH tokens, where you stake it. And with Ethereum, you earn 3 to 5% annually. Imagine being able to do that with your XRP. And so Akinele sparked this off last week on X, showing how the XRPL could add staking to the ledger. And so this is a little bit different, where Ethereum added staking to its users, its token holders, where you're able to stake, moving away from the proof of work model, moving into proof of stake. This is a little bit different because the XRPL is fundamentally different. It would only really take an amendment. And so we're going to get into how the XRPL has advanced over years, has advanced since 2012, and why this wouldn't be so crazy, because I know a lot of, XRP enthusiasts might, think this is a little bit crazy. Are we regressing here? So we're going to get into that topic. And this is kind of drawing from the proof of stake systems that have become very popular within the cryptocurrency market. Decentralized finance sees a lot of money come in, and that money comes in the form of staking. You buy the token and you're able to lock it away for a long time and earn a yield on those tokens. And this is very, I would say, first initial thoughts here, I would say if we're talking about the institutions that are partnering with Ripple, or the companies that want to partner with Ripple and want to use Ripple payments or want to use XRPL payment solutions, they are using that solution. And then the conversation has always been, oh, then buy the underlying asset, buy the native cryptocurrency of the ledger that you are utilizing, all right? But this takes it a step further now. Now they have a real incentive to want to buy the crypto, because now they could earn a yield on that crypto. No one wants to, sit around with idle assets, even within cryptocurrency.